Hey, 3563 West 129th walkthrough video, final video. This one is pre-leased. We're already done at $1,400 a month. Again, we have tenants that move out of houses we're selling. They're excellent tenants. We keep them. We don't get rid of them. So this saves the clients both money and time on getting it rented. But you can see all this is done. You see all the nice vinyl flooring in here. You see how nice this is. And again, this one was $1,400 a month. It's been painted. This flooring was already in there. It's all lined up now. We're going through a walkthrough as we always do. So I'm always, we're keeping the water rolling, and he's going to do a couple things here. But you can see all the paint, plugs, switches, lights are done. And we can go upstairs here to show that. This is all redone. You can see that's in the handrail. Here's one of the bathrooms. It's a full bath. It has 2 full baths in it. And we had to put new flooring in here, vinyl plank. This will last 8 to 10 years. It's really, really a nice vinyl flooring with the rubber backing. And as you can see, we put the quarter round around. It's very nice. Plug, switches, lights, all that. You can see that works. And here again, you got new flooring in this bedroom. The wood floor just could not be repaired, unfortunately. We like to keep it if we can, but this just didn't work for that, so we put this plank flooring in. This was already in the brown, so we kept it. You see, it's all like brand new in here, but this is pre-rented. This is what we do, but this is how we do it. This is this rehab ran about $19,500. $19,500. And we go through the plumbing right now. We're going through all the checklists, making sure everything's done. I'll show you the extra one that we did downstairs. This one also has a nice patio in the back, 1-car garage, and it looks really, really nice out there. Let's go downstairs here. We kept the tile. When we sell it, we will replace this, but there was no reason to while we were renting it. Again, we don't do more than we have to do, but we make sure we do enough. This particular client wanted an extra bedroom down here, so that's what we did. And when you enclose this is exactly what they wanted. So we supplied it. Now what's really nice about this one is it has an extra bathroom down here, full bath. So we put in we had to tear this wall out, move it back to get this vanity in. You can see it works. And then this one has a shower. So we still have to get it clean, but it really looks nice in here. We put all this new flooring in here, and it really looks nice. And then this is your laundry area and all that. So again, this one, as we were doing it, as we do a lot of times, there's another tenant that had to move out of their particular house, and they needed another one. They're very, very good renters. So we took them on, and we said, hey, why don't you take this one at the suggested $1,400. There'll be a stove there too, and a new dishwasher. But this property's rented. They're moving in this weekend. That's why I'm over here. It's Wednesday. We're doing a final walkthrough. Plenty of room, but we can do this for you. Call me. I'm Brett. I'm with Fathom Realty, 216-703-5740. You can WhatsApp me. We'd go from A to Z: property management, rehab, purchasing, leasing, selling, all that. We take care of it. Give me a call. Please like and subscribe for the next video. Thanks.